Viewers, I am Dr. Faruque Hossain Homeopathic Consultant and have been practicing for more than 24 years, helping individuals cure their ailments through homeopathy by Sehgal method or mind technique. Viewers, welcome to my homeopathic medicine channel. Viewers, today I shall describe and show about Camphor Miracle Power Homeopathic Medicine Treatment Case and Symptoms, Sehgal Method, Mind Technique or Mental State. So, watch this video carefully to get full information about treatment of Camphor in correct way. First, why does Camphor seek for aid or help? Rubric: Mind seeking help for. Computer appetization, mind seeking help for. Another rubric: delusion help in is. Computer appetization, delusion help in is. In indicate its real cause, which has made her maniacal and prompted her find a person onto whom she can deepen and open her heart. She seeks aid to get out of hell because her own efforts are not sufficient to complete the job quickly and efficiently. Viewers, Dr. M.L. Sehgal said, I had a woman patient complaining of swelling and pain in the right maxillary area. Pathologically, she had history of pyorrhea and paranasal sinusitis, which led her to have all her teeth extracted and the sinus punctured, as the surgery gave no relief. She was recommended tranquilizers, which also failed, so she came to homeopathy. From the way she talked, we felt that she was in a semi-conscious state, as if she has not fully aware what she was talking about. Rubric: Trance plays on piano with closed eyes, writes letter in an awkward language. Computer appetization, trance plays on piano with closed eyes, writes letter in an awkward knowledge. Trance means a state in which soul seems to absent from the body. Plays on piano with eyes closed. She was also repeating the same sentence over and over again. Rubric: Delirium repeats the same sentence. Computer repetition. Delirium repeats the same sentence. She came from a Hindi-speaking region and was quite illiterate. Yet she used words and phrases in English like problem and trouble, speaks foreign tongue in it, and gave the impression that she did not understand the meaning of these words, but had acquired them for use in her conversation. Trance plays on piano with closed eyes, writes letter in an awkward language. The rubric indicated above would be classified as main rubric. Trance plays on piano with closed eyes, writes letter in an awkward language. Computer repetition. Trance plays on piano with closed eyes, write letters in an awkward language. Sub-rubric: Delirium repeats the same sentence. Computer repetition. Delirium repeats the same sentences. Main rubrics mean around which the whole story revolves, and the sub-rubrics if inferred deeply, will be found already expressed through the main. She said, frankly speaking, there were two reasons for my consulting you. One is that you know me well, and secondly, I have complete faith in you as a homeopath. Cleansing to others. Dr. Sahib, I am hell. Delusion hell in. Rubric delusion hell in is. Computer repetition. Delusion hell in is. Please help me. Mind shrieking help for. I want to weep, but tears do not come, and I can find no one to whom I can open my heart. Weeping, desire to weep, eyes are dry. Computer repetition. Weeping, desire to weep, eyes are dry. Another relevant rubric, Camphor is naked, wants to be, bare her breast in puerperal mania. Rubric, mind naked, wants to be bare her breast in puerperal mania. This rubric also will be found expressed in the discussion above. The rubric indicates the action bearing her breast during the mania after childbirth. It may be kept in mind that a woman would bear her breast only before a person whom she has confidence. Her outlook while doing so is mostly like a mother. In mania, everyone seems to her to be her child. You might have heard a certain woman talking about her relationship with the physician or to whomsoever she wants disclose what is on the mind. That particular person is like child to her, and she has no hesitation in revealing anything to him. The camphor patient is likely to be choosy, looking for physician who is not mostly capable but quite too trustworthy, with whom intimate matters can be discussed without hesitation. Though refined, otherwise talking gentle voice all night in a. He or she was simple-minded and crude, in thinking thoughts crude and frantically trusting, cleansing grubs and others. When she asked by physician what help she expected of him, she replies, "You are the doctor and therefore the best judge." While talking, she may be pulled at the neck of her clothes, thus symbolically baring her breast, giving the impression that she does not care to observe the decorum expected of her. She is maniacal. Classification of the rubrics which I took from this talk is: main rubric number 1, naked wants to be, bears her breast, puerperal mania. Computer repetition. Naked wants to be, bear her breast in puerperal mania. Subrubric number 1, weeping, desire to weep, eyes are dry. But computer repetition. Weeping, desire to weep, eyes are dry. But number 2, cleansing grabs at others. Rubric, cleansing grabs at others. Computer repetition. Cleansing grabs at others. Main rubric number 2, thoughts crude. Computer repetition, thoughts crude. Subrubric, talking gentle voice all night in a. A few days after giving the remedy which I think of progress, the thinking about disease itself seemed to be the complaints which bothered me a minute ago. But sometimes when I have thoughts like cancer may be developing somewhere in my body, I become afraid and try to think something else. This again points to other rubrics such as fear thoughts of her own. Rubric fear thoughts of his own. Computer repetition fear thoughts of his own. And thinking complaints. Computer repetition thinking complaints. Two apparently contradictory rubrics. In summary, the camphor patient wants to aid from a person whom he can thoroughly trust and to whom he or she can bear his or her soul. Viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you get any benefit, please like, comment and subscribe my homeopathic medicine channel. Thank you.